Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Apple gift card for in-app purchases without the use of credit card. So if you have an Apple gift card, so that's good enough for you to make in-app purchases. You don't really need a credit card. So all you have to do is simply add your gift card to your Apple balance. So to do that, open up your App Store. So once you've opened up your App Store here, click on your account on your top right, just click on it. And then here you'll have an option called redeem gift card or code. So click on redeem gift card. So this is where we redeem our Apple gift card. So simply use your camera to take a photo of the card, or you can enter your card code manually. Either way, just add it and then hit on the redeem option here. So in that way your gift card balances will be added to your Apple balance. So once you have your Apple balance topped up, you have the balance transferred. So now you can simply make any in-app purchases. For example, on a Roblox, if you open up Roblox, let me use that as an example. So I'm going to buy some Roblox here. So if I click on this option here, so to buy, so if I select it, so automatically it will ask me whether it will go to my App Store and ask me whether I want to purchase it. So all you have to do is simply tap on it to make the purchase. In that way, so the amount will be taken from your gift card through your app stores, because your balance has already been transferred to your App Store. So that's how you can do this without the need of a credit card. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.